I am on the rooftop, and this is the scene of the Kudadan on one side of the road. Then there are the buildings coming up, high rise buildings. You can see some greenery, and if I take you to other side, another house. These are the series of houses very near to the main road, and Najafgarh road is passing from where you can see the traffic passing. At the same time, the blue line metro is also passing from here. One side is Dwarka, it goes, other side is the Vaishali or Noida. Lot of traffic on the road. Now, what I want to say here is the sky is not very clear because we are adamant, we don't want to improve. The appeal of no crackers on Diwali has gone haywire. We will do whatever we feel like. So we play with the nature, then nature plays with us. We play with the nature. Nature will bring in the form of corona, in the form of Zika virus, in the form of dengue, in the form of viral diseases, viral fevers, and so on and so forth. So you play with the nature, don't cooperate with the nature. Nature will teach you a lesson. Sometimes lesson will be so hard that the total the things will come to stand still, total machinery will be at halt, and then you will have to restart, rejuvenate, fuel the whole machinery and start. So vaccinations and slowly masking, all those things are still not gone. So this is what I want to say in this small message, just show you the background of the traffic. Early morning traffic is not very high. Just an hour or so it will be, this road will be full of vehicles. You will not be able to cross the road. Even on red lights also people do not stop the vehicles until unless there is a policeman standing and he is there to challan them. So this is the traffic today, and today is Bhaiya Dooj. So lot of sweets, brother and sisters, they meet. Tika, tilak, tika, whatever you call it. I think everybody celebrates this. Maybe one or two cases where the brothers are away, or the the borders where it's not possible to approach for everyone. Then it is sent by post or this thing on Zoom also these days. Even Karwa Chauth moon was seen on Zoom because of the rain in the this region, in Delhi region. And now there is a red light, and total you can see some white cars standing, stopping on the parked on the there is a hazard parking also on the roads, and the this residential area, commercialization of residential area, then the criminal activity in the area. So many things are there as part of life, part of the metro cities. This is a byproduct of metro cities. If you go to hill station or some remote village, you will find total peace. But here the noise pollution, the smoke pollution, the water pollution, and the dust pollution, all sort of pollutions, you have to insulate yourself and take care of your own development, own life. Nobody else will come and do something for you. You have to do it yourself. If you do not do for yourself, then you are in trouble. So I'll have to stop here at this point. This is a journaling video, or you can say that this is a conversation starter, whatever you call it. And I'll be posting in the other group. This group is called Fearless and Fluent English Speaking Course group, where I am posting this video for the benefit of those who are new in that group, or those who are old. They'll comment on my video and say wherever there are mistakes, wherever there are flaws in the video making, they'll point out, and then I'll start improving those points which are indicated in the comments. I am GS Anand. I am a mechanical engineer turned digital recruiterpreneur. I recruit people in my team. I look for the senior citizens, housewives, small business owners, and financial experts. And for them, we have organized a session tomorrow, Sunday at 12 noon. Some of you may be participating from. This is a Zoom application. This is on Zoom. So Zoom meeting, you can ask for the link, register for the Zoom call, and then tomorrow you can participate through the Zoom link. Then you will decide, you will know, you will understand, we'll explain you, we'll question answer session may be there where we'll answer your questions. And once you are sure of the program, the process, the trainings, the development part, then you can be part of my team. You can join me and we'll do great things together. This is what I wanted to say in this small message video. I am GS Anand. I am a mechanical engineer turned digital recruiterpreneur. Signing off. Thank you. Bye.